Today we're going to do initial startup on a 200 series single filter jacuzzi model, which is going to have what's called canister filtration. The first thing you're going to do once your hot tub is delivered and hardwired into the electrical, you're going to go over to your main breaker box that has the single breaker for the hot tub. Make sure it's in the off position. Then you're going to come to the hot tub. You're going to take the filter housing off. You're going to take this off first. The basket second. Inside here is going to be your filter. You're going to pull your filter out. You're going to take your garden hose. You're going to run your garden hose and stick your garden hose down as far into that hole as you can. Then you're going to turn the water on and you're going to see water start to come out of your jets. You're also going to see water start to come out of your intakes, which is totally normal. What you're doing now is you're filling your lines up first, so you don't get any air locks or flow errors once the hot tub is filled up. Once the water level is all the way covering all of the jets, so all the jets are submerged right above that jet level, you're going to turn your hose off. Then you're going to go over to your breaker box and you're going to hit the breaker into the on position. Now you should have power to the hot tub. You should walk over to your control buttons over here. At this time, you can hit the plus button till you get to the desired temperature that you want to set it at. Most people on initial fill-up are going to set it at anywhere between 98 and 104 degrees. Just by pressing that plus button until you get to your desired temperature, and then you're going to stop, which will set it at that temperature itself, okay? Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and you're going to receive a starter kit. We're using the Frog at Ease floating starting system with a 200 series jacuzzi. Inside the starter kit, you're going to get two cartridges. One is a mineral cartridge, one is a Smart Chlor cartridge. You're going to get a starter pack, and you're going to get some test strips, okay? So you're also going to receive inside your 200 series hot tub a floating canister for those cartridges, okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to take your blue cartridge. On the bottom is a dial, 0 through 6, okay? Once you've established that, you're going to take the blue cartridge, you're going to set it into your floater. You're going to take the gray cartridge, you're going to set it into your floater also, and you're just going to set it right inside your water. This is going to float in your water all the time. Your gray cartridge you should replace about every 3 to 5 weeks. Your blue cartridge about every 4 months. When the gray cartridge is empty, this will go like this and float upside down. So it'll actually tell you when to replace the gray cartridge. All you do is you're going to pull the gray cartridge out, replace it with a new cartridge, and move forward. Every 4 months, replace the blue. Once a month, replace the gray. Okay? Now, after you've established that, then you're going to take the jump start packet, you're going to open it up, you're going to dump it into your hot tub. Okay? Hit the jet button. The jets will start to go and mix around and mix up your starter. Then you can come over and take your test strip. Now you're going to check for your pH and alkalinity. You should only have to do this on initial fill-up until you change the cartridge out. Then I would check it again. So you're going to put a test strip into the water. You're going to remove the test strip. You're going to match that test strip up with the little squares on the side of your test canister. Okay, you want the colorations to be exactly in the inline areas. Okay, so pH and alkalinity, pH is going to be about 7.2. It'll tell you where your ideal effects is. On your initial fill up with your garden hose, you may be right where you want to be, or your levels may be too high, your levels may be too low. You're going to be supplied with a pH and alkalinity increaser bottle, pH and alkalinity decreaser bottle. So if your pH alkalinity is too high, you're going to put some decreaser in it. It'll tell you on the bottle per number of gallons that are in your hot tub how much of that to put in. If it's too low, you're going to put increaser in it. You're going to do that one time. You're going to hit the jet button again. It's going to turn off in 20 minutes automatically. You're going to come back to the hot tub and you're going to test it again. Hopefully your level should be exactly where they need to be right now, okay? And you shouldn't have to do this again until you replace the gray cartridge, which is about once a month. I would test it again every time you replace the gray cartridge, okay? Now you're ready to go. You're just waiting for the temperature to get up to your desired temperature. Remove your cover. Enjoy your hot tub.